Hey friends! Good day! Good afternoon! Hapon na. I haven't vlogged for like 25, 6, 7, 28, 29, 4 days kasi today is December 29. I look so weird. I have my hair still wet. Kakaligo ko lang guys because I edited a video. Sorry for my hair. At tapos ang katik-katik because I did not showered or wet my hair for like 3 days or 4 days. Yan kasi something happened. Yan, something happened. So I don't wanna go there kasi maingay. So yun nga, after I think the last video that I did was like December 25, but I wasn't able to finish that video because grabe, I had a very terrible stomach pain. Grabe, I ate a lot, too much pala. I ate too much during Christmas Eve. After the 24 or nung early morning ng 25, I was still feeling okay, but my stomach feels like a little, you know, maasim, yung parang ganyan na feeling guys. So yun, and then I ate still a lot, too much on the 25th, on December 25, the day, on Christmas Day. Kasi ang daming leftover, so I ate a lot of sweets, a lot of fatty foods. And what happened is during the night time na, grabe, ang sakit na nagsigmore ako guys. I was having hyperacidity, indigestion, grabe ang sakit, and I could not even stand up. Yun, so it was my fault kasi alam ko naman na I cannot tolerate a lot of food because I don't eat that much anymore. Yeah, I only eat just enough every day, so baka nabigla yung tiyan ko, and that was really very painful. So today lang medyo nag-subside na siya. I took hyperacidity tablets, and I did not eat too much. Like I did not, like yesterday and today I did not eat. I ate very little lang, yung fish yung kinain ko, and then yeah, I also watched Dr. Willie Ong's video na how to, you know, remedy hyperacidity or dyspepsia. I think I have dyspepsia, yeah. So without using medicine or without taking medicine, so he said not to eat banana every 30 minutes, yung banana and water. So that's what I did. I did not eat a lot. So ngayon medyo naging okay naman siya, and yeah, I'm feeling a little better. Hindi na masyadong masakit. Grabe, I don't know what will happen to me on the New Year kasi marami na naman pagkain, but I don't know, it's just us during the New Year, so hindi na masyadong marami yung food namin compared sa Christmas. Kasi nung Christmas nandito kami lahat, yung mga kapatid ko, my brother and sisters and my cousins, but on this New Year I think iba kami lang dito sa bahay, sina mother, father, yan, si Rocky, Sashi, kami lang. I don't know if Shanin will be coming kasi I don't know, yeah, she said she wanted to stay doon sa apartment nila. So yan yung update sa akin guys. Grabe, I'm not gonna eat a lot of fatty foods talaga because my stomach is really very sensitive. I get upset stomach right away if I eat the wrong food. Ayan. So, yun lang yung update. I'm just going, look at Miko. Ayan si Miko. Hi Miko! Uy, nilayat. Uy, na-jump si Miko kasi magparab-rab mayan si Miko sa oy. Miko, ban. Oh my god. Naglambing na naman si Miko. Magagalit, iiyak na naman si Miguel. I'm talking for 4 minutes already guys. I need to cut this clip na. So I'm going to go to Miguel and Maui kasi umiiyak na si Miguel. Kasi merong nagpapaputok and they don't like paputok. Miguel is already shaking, so I'm gonna see you later. You dodge. Hi, how was the Christmas week? Miguel? How was the Christmas? Miguel. So I wash their area guys kasi ang baho. Umihi sila tapos gusto talaga ni Maui na umihi dito sa house nila. Kaya this morning I already wash all over here tapos sinabunan ko, but still umihi na naman sila dito, talaga sila umihi tapos mabaho. If you let it dry, babaho na naman. Ayan, eto lagi na lang hindi ito yung umiihi, ito talaga yung mastermind ng ihi. Ito yung culprit ng ihi. Ito tapos ito naman pagkatapos umihi ni Maui, sumusunod agad kung saan umiihi si Maui, ihi din si Miguel, diba Gel? Diyos ko Lord. House ni Mother. Beef koan, mushroom. Beef mushroom and this is crab meat.
Crab meat.
Picky.
Okay,
I don't like this one. Gusto ko kadang crab, jud nga crab.
Magbawa pagka tang-tang.
Yeah, I don't like
Kana may
this.
din ako ganahan.
Picky nga crab and coffee.
Kanang tang-tang pa baka.
Humba.
Humba. Di ko.
May nag-mix na
Humba. Ba and baba.
Mukhaon dahil.
And baba. Baboy na. Baboy. Piglet. Baboy.
Sa may mo, kare.
Itadakimasu. Good luck to my stomach.
Baka baboy.
So I already finished some editing. One video. Ayan. Here it is. Ayan. Tapos na. And I already made a thumbnail for this one. Wow. Thumbnail for this one. So today is Saturday, so malayo pa. So I am planning to make another to edit another video, but before that I'm going to feed the dogs first. So ayan, here's their food. Oh my god, Mother bought a humba, so I'm gonna give them humba kasi sayang, ang daming dinala ni Mother na foodie. So I'm gonna, ngayon lang naman ngayong holiday season. So ito yung foodie nila, then I'm going to ang tawag niyan, basta kunis-kunis this one. Tapos if kulang pa yung ulam, then I'm gonna add more kasi meron pa dito. So may kanin din nadala si Mother. So yan yung foodie ng doggy. I look so tired guys, grabe, look at my eyes. I even I did some eyebrows today kasi I look so tired. I feel so tired kasi nga my tummy is not feeling so well. So today is December 29. I don't know what will happen sa sa New Year kasi may another food again. Tapos bukas si Mother, meron silang Christmas party na naman. I don't know if she will bring another food. I told her not to bring more food kasi nga ang dami ng food So kumusta naman sa sa New Year, di ba? Rookie's gone. I thought Rookie's going in. So yun nga yung problema ko. Because I'm planning to make lechon belly for the New Year and mango cheesecake. Sana magawa ko yan. And what else? Mango. Tapos sweet and sour fish fillet. Walang masyadong foodie muna kasi ang dami ng foodie na kinain. Hindi ko na kaya. Talaga ang sakit-sakit. Tapos sila Sashi, hindi naman sila kumakain ng marami. So kami lang, si Father, si Mother, si Rookie, tapos ako. So, yun. So, I'm just going to feed the dog, guys, kasi magsi 7 o'clock na, baka gutom na sila. But, I don't know if gutom na sila. Masyado kasi binigyan sila ni Rookie ng baboy kanina. But, it's already 7, kaya I need to feed them. So, see you later, hopefully. Hello, guys. So, it's just me and Ate. Wow, ang liwanag. Na lang. We are watching a movie. Si Baba, ganito na. Si Baba nandun kasi sa sa taas, and then si Rookie is pumunta sa kanyang mga friendships, yung mga high school friendships yata niya. Nag-char-char sila. Getting together. Yan, so me and Ate are watching a very, very old movie. And she haven't watched it. Kasi old nga movie. So tired. So I just finished editing a video again. And nag-render na lang. So yun na lang din yung hinihintay ko. So while waiting for that, we are watching a movie, and I don't know if I'm going to upload that or maybe bukas na, but tomorrow I am going to be very busy na guys kasi let's do it like that. Kasi 30 na, tapos magpe-prepare na ako sa we are having sa kung ano yung kakainin namin sa New Year yun. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow morning I'll just wake up early. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So this is the movie we're watching. So this is what we're watching. A very classic romantic Christmas movie. While we were sleeping, yeah, I remember. Sandra Bullock, and nakalimutan ko yung sino yung lalaki, and ate hasn't watched that one. So after this one, I told her na we will be watching Casper the Friendly Ghost. Kasi naalala ko yung lalaki, daddy ni ni Kat sa Casper. Yan. So I think mag-good night ako guys kasi I don't know, baka makalimutan ko nang mag-good night sa inyo. Today is did I forget? December 29 vlog. Malapit na matapos yung 2018. I don't know if I'm going to vlog tomorrow kasi surely magiging busy ako tomorrow kasi 30 na tomorrow. And si mother, meron din siyang party tomorrow sa mga seniors, yung mga classmate niya din. Ang dami nilang party. Ako, wala akong party. Diba, te? I did not have any party to attend to. Bakit kaya? Pero mga seniors, ang dami nilang party. So, yun na nga, guys. Magugunayan ako. It's been a long day. And, yeah. I hope you have a wonderful and a great day. As always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile. And I will see you in my next video. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas!